Hi you guys, I just wanted to give you a little information about this new product coming out with 9 herbs, okay? It's a shampoo, conditioner, and also a mask. And it's gonna come out because if your clients is experiencing weakness, shedding, hair loss, or you just are getting a few complaints from your customers that you need they want some more length to their hair. That's what's like been really growing my hair and giving me strength. And also this model here, this beautiful model, my mom, she lost a lot of hair, and you can request the before picture so you can see what it does. Now this is the shampoo and conditioner. A lot of you have samples. This is the conditioner. These are 9 intentional herbs to help restore and strengthen your client's hair. So this is the shampoo, and I'm just gonna put, I was mixing more herbs through here, but I'm gonna put this all over. And it is so wonderful where it's gonna give her a wonderful lather. So what you can do, you can shampoo your client's hair one time with a first shampoo, and then you can put all these vitamins and nutrients that we have. You can use this new product for the second shampoo if you desire. But if your client is already, I would say, thinning, then you might want to make her the first. So you want to go through the hair. Do it just like a basic shampoo, okay? So when we come back, you'll see the second half where I'm going to shampoo her. And then what I'm going to do is, if she's shedding, go through the hair, squeeze the hair and make sure that it's going through the shaft. Force it in, go through it. And it's a wonderful experience, and you can scratch, but make sure you're going outward, because with a strong product, you don't want the hair to lock. So you want to remind the hair to be strong. And just, her hair used to be like paper thin because of medication, and now it has it super strong. So when we come back, we're going to put the conditioner on there, but you want to allow this to sit itself for, I would say, about 4 minutes. So she's going to sit, and when we come back, you will see the actual how I put the conditioner on, and I'm going to steam that in. So I'm going to give you a few nuggets of when you're dealing with textures that what you can also do when you're conditioning. You have to know textures to know how and what to tell your clients and how to treat the hair. So you can't just do everyone the same, okay? Love you.
What? Look at that big crazy.
You're a model.